Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to show you how difference between mutable versus immutable objects. A variable in Python responds to an instance of an object. Object can be either immutable or mutable. The state of immutable object cannot be changed. On the other hand, the state of the mutable object can be changed. Some of the examples of immutable objects are integer, float, boolean, string, and tuple. Some of the examples of the mutable objects are list, dictionary, set, and class. In this example, I have a number here pointing to value 5, and another I reassign it to value 10. In both cases, the ID of the same variable has been changed. So basically, the number is pointing to a different object of integer now. And I have another example here where I'm trying to modify a character in a string. This will cause an error because string is also immutable. On the other hand, list is a mutable object. So I actually can change the value of the first element of this list without any issue. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.